What's going on, Hey Squad? Welcome to another video. And in today's video, we are here at Ferrari of Central Florida out here in Orlando. And I'm staring at a whole lineup, almost a whole generation of Ferraris here on the second floor. And they got a cool car that's over at the Maserati side. It's not a Maserati, it's an AMG. So we're going to take a look at that. And I'm going to show you guys the whole lineup of almost all the generations of all the Ferraris. You walk upstairs, and here they got the Ferrari SF90XX. This is not for sale. I guess this is somebody's car. The spec on this thing is so sweet. I love that color. Really dig that color with the black and the red stripe with the red interior. It's pretty mint. Here's the sticker. You guys can pause the video if you guys want to see. List price, $1 million car. That's so clean. The first time I actually seen the SF90XX. And here is something I ain't seen yet. The Ferrari SUV. There's a sticker price if you guys want to see that. Here's the interior. I can't see what color the interior is because one, the glare, two, the seats are covered. It looks like it's white seats. That's my first time seeing the SUV. White with the black. I don't know, I don't really dig the white and the black, but I'd rather have like a red or a yellow. And here you guys go. Here is the Daytona, Ferrari Daytona. Right next to a vintage prototype. First time after seeing this car in person. Here's the front of it. And I'll take you guys to the rear. You guys can't see because of the glare from inside, but here's the rear. There's the exhaust. Kind of a wicked car. So I say myself, it's pretty. This car's pretty wicked, and it's not for sale. So I guess it's somebody's car. That is crazy. It's my first time actually seeing this car in person. And then right next to the LaFerrari, Ferrari F50, Ferrari Enzo, Ferrari F40, and a vintage Ferrari. It's like a whole generation of Ferraris just sitting in a dealership. And then here they got a silver and yellow Ferrari SP1. Here's their shop, and we got an F40 right there, and we got an SF1 right there, Testarossa right there, another vintage Ferrari right here, California, and another California. We're here at the Maserati side, and this is actually my favorite part of the Ferrari dealer. No, I like Ferraris a lot. I like them a lot, but I'm kind of a Maserati fan because I used to own a Maserati myself. If you guys want to check out that video, put it right in the description. But they got all types of cars here. They got the SUV, they got an AMG, they got a McLaren GT3 Porsches, and a couple SUVs and the GT4 and a BMW. But they got a lot of new cars. That's why I like coming here, because you never know what you're gonna find. And let's take a look at that AMG. Their service bay, and there is a yellow LaFerrari right there, and there's an F40 right in front of this one that just rolled up. Dang. Ferrari, boys. Can't go wrong with a Ferrari. And I was talking to one of the salesmen, and they said this AMG is an AMG 1, Mercedes-Benz AMG 1. It's a hypercar. So let's go check this out. Bro. Yeah, I know. The AMG Mercedes 1 hypercar. This thing looks like a straight up race car. All the carbon fiber which you guys seen in the cinematic shots. This thing is sick. It kind of's got the taillights of a MC 20 over there, but it's got a sick exhaust, man. That thing's huge. The diffuser is massive too, and it's a hybrid. It's electric. So AMG Mercedes 1. That's insane. And you guys seen in the cinematic shots that we got a McLaren here. I am a big McLaren fan. I'm a massive McLaren fan. Look at the interior. All that sway and everything, and it's sick. This might be a hybrid too, because look, it might be electric as well. But I'm a big fan of McLaren, and I dig that color. We're going to be looking at the used section, because I am in the market for a new car. Been on the road for about 8-9 months. I am in the market to buy me a car. Maybe another Maserati? Maybe a supercar? Who knows? Right off the bat, I see this. All blacked out, black rims. It's even got a tinted windows. It's on it as well. I am a big fan of the Ghibli. A Ghibli gets a lot of hate, but I am in the market for a new car, and I'm thinking a Ghibli might be it. That's a clean spec. I like that. Look at this, guys. $39,850 for a 2021 Maserati Levante Grand Sport, and it's all-wheel drive, which I knew it had to be four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, because this set up higher than that one. You see how you can see the difference. But I am in the market for a new Maserati, but I didn't know they made an all-wheel drive. Neither would it be. Could it be that one? Could it be that one? It could be those newer ones? I don't know. At the Porsche dealer here in Orlando, which is across the street from the Ferrari dealer, and I came across a clean, very clean 911 Turbo Porsche. It's a 1996 Porsche 911 Turbo, and they want like $357,000 for this car. It is super clean, one of the cleanest ones I've seen. There it is. That thing is super clean for its age. You know, look at the interior in this thing. I don't know if you guys can see because of the glare. Let me go to the other side. The thing is, no rips in the seat that I can see. It's manual. That even makes it even better. But that thing is super clean. We are on the second floor here in Porsche dealer here in Orlando, and I came across a 2023 Porsche 911 Decker rally car. Here's something you don't see every day. Look at this beauty. A rally Porsche 2023. The interior, come to the rear end. Man, it's something you don't see every single day. That's a cool find right there. The second floor, it's not a Porsche, it's not a Lambo, it's actually a tuner car, but it's actually my first time actually seeing one in this mint of condition. This is a Acura NSX open top. I love that color blue. That blue color is just perfect. Now to top it off, let's see if this thing is manual. Believe it might be automatic, guys. It might be automatic. But I ain't seen one in this good a shape for a long while. Sitting right next to an F12 Ferrari. I looked at the price tag on this one. They want 1.4 million, and I think they want about 600,000 for the 458. But that's a pretty cool lineup right there. An F12 next to a 458, and you guys can see the GT3 sitting right out there in the corner. And out here they got all these cars, and then can't have a video without a Rolls Royce Phantom. Beautiful car. And out there in the back, I think there's a Audi R8 mint. Here in the shop, I had to get down on my knees. But look at all these parts right here. They all go for the Corolla GT right there, all torn apart in an orange. There's all the motor and everything's all torn apart right there. That's nuts. Guys, at the end of the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm still working on the social media side of Twitter and Instagram and all that good fun jazz. But I actually got some home time, and I'm heading back on the road as we speak. I'm actually waiting for a load, so get back on the road, and maybe a expediting vlog will be coming here pretty soon. But I thought I'd stop here at the Ferrari dealer and see what they have, because they always have different type of cars all the time. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check you guys out on the next video. Take care.